So today I figured we'd just go around, see some idiots driving, and talk about why some people shouldn't get a license, I guess. So many people, first of all, they don't use their turn signals, and it really irritates me and my dad. It's just stupid because it's just a simple thing to do. It's like just like a lever, like a knob. It won't kill you if you do the right thing, you know? But some things never change. So another thing, not making complete stops. Oof. Okay, complete stops. That's another big problem where I live. They'll go. Let me make an example. So say this handicap sign is a stop sign. They just go right through it. Not a care in the world. Like they're above everyone else in society. To me, there's not really much difference. There shouldn't be a difference. If people make there be a difference, which makes no sense whatsoever. Oh, people speeding is another big problem. I've seen people go a good 40 to 50, anywhere between that. They go that on my street. They go that, and it's like a residential place, you know? You're supposed to go like 20. And the funny part is, there's a school right next to us, which makes no sense in the slightest. So, yeah, you could say people here drive pretty bad. I mean, my dad drives amazing. He does everything, and he always complains about idiots driving. Because where I live, like, they would just go like this, a good like 15 miles per hour through a stop sign. Are you kidding me right now? Just see? I mean, I know it's summer and there's no kids, but I'm a kid. That was easy over 50 or over 40. I shouldn't even be 40. Because, jeez. Well, are you late to get Starbucks or something? Good old Dutch Bros. Yeah. There's 3 videos that I actually need to upload onto my channel, which is weird. This is a very small, very timid milestone to hit, but if we hit 10 subscribers, we'll do a collaboration with another channel, a good friend of mine, or I'll try to make it happen if we hit 10 subs. It's funny because other YouTubers, they're like, oh, if we get to 5 million, I'm over here with 10. That's great. It's great. I mean, everyone's gotta start somewhere. So. Awesome. Okay. Get out of this lane. make that guy pull his dogs over. Sounds so weird. Pull his dogs over. Oh. There's anything sketchy, like scary sketchy. Then don't know what that is. Like a pouch of some kind. My eyesight's really bad from far. Close up, like the lettering on my gloves, I can read that with them just about touching my eyelashes. Like Harry Potter font, I can read that with the pages touching my eyelashes, but it just takes a little while to focus. Broadway is a different story. I can't try to make out what that sign over there says, or displays. Okay, let's see. I'm not using their turn signal. Oh, I think that person's not using their turn signal. That person, good for you. Nope, no turn signal. Really just does not go with me like very well. People not using very basic, very simplistic rules that anyone can learn. So, yeah, I have no idea why. See, good job. They're using the turn signal. A bit early, but they're still using it. Oof. Nice truck. Slow the heck down, please. Like, yeah. Okay, we're gonna go by the school. It's a 25 speed limit in miles, by the way. America. Thank you. That was close. I couldn't tell if he was letting his dog sniff at something. Or A, if they were sniffing at something. B, if they were just taking a dump. Or C, if he was letting me pull over. I hope it's a third one, because that would mean he's a nice guy. I don't know. Probably is still a nice guy either way. is good. Okay, let's see if we can catch any idiots. If there isn't one idiot doing something soon, I'll be very surprised. Oh, turn signal. Maybe. Nope, no turn signal. They didn't have to. Turn signal, good job. So mainly on this new road, this is a completely pointless road. Like the old one had nothing wrong with it. It was just like really old. And so they decided, oh, we're gonna use the tax to make a new road because that one's old. What? Oh, what's the point? Like, it doesn't matter how old something is. It's still functional. You know? Oof. Okay, I hope that riding through the grass doesn't anger whoever's